Hello everybody, this is our fourth lecture on name reaction. Today we will discuss about the Mitsunobu reaction. Okay, and we will solve this question. This has been asked in NET June 2017. So in order to answer this question, you need to know that what is the Mitsunobu reaction. So first we will discuss the mechanism of the Mitsunobu reaction, and after that we will move on to the question. Okay, let's begin. Now Mitsunobu reaction is extremely important reaction of alcohol. Okay, it is the substrate is alcohol, and it is famous for the inversion of this alcohol center. So the inversion of this alcohol center. Okay, so this is the major importance of this reaction. So what are the substrate? So we discuss about substrate. Now what are the reagents? Reagent is triphenyl phosphine and DEAD. This DEAD is diethyl aza dicarboxylate. The structure of DEAD is something like this: CO2et, and here it is CO2et. Okay, so this is your DEAD molecule. Now there is another thing is required, that is this kind of nucleophile H. That means it has a this species has a acidic proton. Okay, this species has a acidic proton, and when proton is abstracted, it will form, if proton is abstracted, then it will form this kind of Nu minus. So after the abstraction of proton, it will be a good source of nucleophile. So the combination of these three is the reagent of Mitsunobu reaction. So let's move on to the scheme of the reaction. The scheme of the reaction is something like this. I am taking an alcohol and I am showing the stereochemistry here. The OH is above the plane. Now I am treating it with PPH3, DEAD, okay, DEAD, and your nucleophile H, NuH. Now this NuH could be something like this. It could be any carboxylic acid, okay, it could be any alcohol or any phenolic OH, so phenol, or it could be this kind of N3H. So in all cases what will happen, after the removal of H plus, the potent nucleophile will be something like this. For the first case it is RCOO minus. This is for the first case. From here, from ROH I am getting RO minus, from AROH ARO minus, N3H there is N3 minus. So these are your potent nucleophile. So these are your nucleophilic source. Now what will happen in this case? The product will look like this. The center where the alcohol was present, now the stereochemistry is reversed. It is now in below position and there is your nucleophile. Whatever the nucleophile you are using here, okay, now whatever the nucleophile you are using here will be reflected here in this case. So this is a scheme of this Mitsunobu reaction. This is the main important part of this reaction, that the stereo center is inverted. In the first case, the hydrogen present here was in below position and now hydrogen is in above position. So there is a inversion taking place, just like in SN2 reaction. Okay, so this is the main scheme of the reaction. Now we will move on to the mechanism of the reaction. Now what will be the mechanism of the reaction? Let's discuss about the mechanistic pathway. Okay, now this is your substrate molecule, okay, and this DEAD has a structures like this: N, N, CO2 Et, CO2 Et. Now we have PPH in the medium. This PPH has a phosphorus as a lone pair. It will attack at this nitrogen. This will form N negative. So from here what you are getting? You are getting something like this. NCO2 PPH3. Now it is positive because it donates electron to the nitrogen, and it will be on negative and CO2 Now remember, in this medium there is NuH species is present where it has an acidic hydrogen. Now this negative charge will abstract this proton to produce this kind of nucleophile. So as a result of that, what you are getting, this is NH CO2 okay, and N CO2 and PPH3 plus. Now look at this. Now our substrate molecule is this one. Now this substrate molecule will attack at this phosphorus center. Okay. Now what will happen? This substrate molecule, the oxygen OH, will attack here. This oxygen, the lone pair of the oxygen will attack at the phosphorus, and this bond will be clipped to produce this N negative. As a result of that, what you are getting? You are getting this kind of system, that R dot O PPH3 plus, okay, and this is NH N CO2 Et. Now it has a lone pair, and now it again abstract proton from NuH, producing this kind of system. This is CO2 Et and this is CO2 Et plus nucleophile. Now look at this. In the medium, what you can find? In the medium, this is present and lot of nucleophile is present. The obvious step is that this nucleophile, okay, this nucleophile will attack at this position, and this bond will be cleaved to produce P double bond O. You know that phosphorus and oxygen, the bond between the phosphorus and oxygen is very much stable. So as a result of that, what you can get? You can get something like this. So R dot. Now the nucleophile will be present at this position because it is nothing but your backside attack or SN2 attack. Okay, it is nothing but your SN2 attack. So the stereochemistry of this center is inverted. Inversion occurs in SN2 reaction. Now this PPH3 double bond O. This is your byproduct, and the formation of this P double bond O, okay, P double bond O, this formation, it is very stable. Okay, so P double bond O is very stable bond, and that is you can think that it is one kind of driving force of the reaction. It is the driving force of the reaction. So what will happen? Initially it was alcohol in the above position. Now the nucleophile is present in the below position. Once you understand this thing, now we will discuss about some utility of this reaction. Okay, is this clear? Now I am removing it. Okay. Now it is your initial molecule. Now I am adding PPH3, DEAD, and some carboxylic acid. Okay, some carboxylic acid I am adding. So in this carboxylic acid, this RCO, O minus and H plus. So this is your potential nucleophile, and it is your acidic hydrogen. So this nucleophile will present at this center, inverting the stereochemistry. So this will be your product. Now you can take it R dot. Okay. Now this will be your product. So there will be nucleophile. Now here nucleophile is RCO2 minus. So it is OCOR. So this will be your product. So this step is Mitsunobu reaction. Now what you can do that if you reduce this center. Look at this. This is a ester linkage. Okay. This is a ester linkage. Now if you reduce it with LH. LH is strong reducing agent. It can reduce ester, carbonyl, etc. So it's a very strong reducing agent. what it will do, it has hydride source. So this hydride will attack at this position. This is a electrophilic carbon. It will form O negative, come back, and it will be O minus. So as a result of that, what you are getting, this is O negative, and this part is removed from the system. That means the RCHO removed from the system. Now look at this molecule. After workup in aqueous medium, what you will get? You will get this kind of system. So from here, from the starting material, you can see that OH is in the above position. Now you are converting it into the below position. So this is a very useful utility of this reaction. So Mitsunobu reaction can alter the stereochemistry of alcohol. Okay, can alter the stereochemistry of alcohol. Suppose this OH is present in below position. Now it will be, after the reaction, it will be present in the above position. Clear? So now we will move on to this reaction. What is happening actually in this reaction? If you take a look at that, here this OH is above position. Now after the reaction, it is in the below position. So here Mitsunobu reaction is one of the steps. Mitsunobu reaction is happening here. So this is one conclusion. And Mitsunobu reaction has reagent is PPH3, DEAD, and some nucleophile H will be there. It could be N3H, it could be PHCO2H, whatever. So there will be something, some nucleophile will be present. Now look at this. So I am highlighting it, okay. I am highlighting it. Now look at this. This is your Mitsunobu reagent. In option number B, we will find Mitsunobu reagent. In option number 3, so option number 2 and 3, you can get the Mitsunobu reaction. So your job is to check these two options first. Now, if I check the first option, what it could happen? Okay. So this is our substrate molecule. This is our substrate molecule, CHO OH. Now look at this. In option number 2, in first step NaBH4 is added. If in first step NaBH4 is added, it will reduce this aldehyde portion. So it will form nothing but this kind of system, CH2OH, and now it is in the below position. And in the second step, what is happening? Second step is PPH3, DEAD, and PHCO2H. So what you can say that in this case, this is your nucleophile, okay. So PHCOO minus. So this nucleophile will attack here at this position, and there will be SN2 attack. So it will revert the position, the stereochemistry. So now it will be OCOPH. Now look at this. It has another alcohol part, and this is not a asymmetric carbon. It is CH2OH. So there will also substitution will occur in the similar way, OCOPH. I am not mentioning the stereochemistry because it doesn't matter. It is there are two hydrogen present, so it is CH2. So here also this kind of SN2 like attack will occur, and this OH is substituted by that nucleophile. Clear? So this will be your product. There is no other step. So option number B or option number 2, okay, this is option number 2, cannot lead to this product. Okay, so it cannot form your desired product. So option number 2 cannot be your correct answer. So you can rule out option number 2. Now coming on to the option number 3. So what actually happens if I erase this whole thing? Yeah. Okay. In option number 3, what you can find that in the first step PPH3, DEAD, okay, and PHCO2H is present. So what will happen? This is aldehyde portion. This is aldehyde, and aldehyde will not react. So as a result of that, what you are getting, it will be your CHO, and here it will be your present in your below position. So it is COPH. This is after your Mitsunobu reaction. Now after this step, there is LAH. LAH is a reducing agent, strong reducing agent. So it will provide this hydride attack here in this ester carbon. So it will be O negative, it will come back, and now it will be O minus. So from here there will be O minus, and after workup you will get OH. So and this LAH will also reduce this aldehyde portion. So that aldehyde will be transferred into CH2OH. So here you will get a CH2OH, and at this position the stereochemistry is inverted. So if I write it here properly, so what you can say that here CH2OH is there and OH is present in the below position, and this is your desired product. So if you look at this option, so this is your desired product. So your option number B, okay, your option option number 3 is your correct answer for this question. Once you know that what is the function of this reagent, then you need not always mug up the, so you need not always remember the total mechanism. Just remember that what is the function of this reagent. So in examination, not always the name of the reaction is important. Even if you forget the name of the reaction, but you remember the function of the reagent, then you can easily make it out. So that's all for today. Thank you. Happy learning. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, share and subscribe.